Hi, Mitchell Levy, global credibility expert, and we're doing something really spectacular. I'm on a mission. I'm going to be interviewing 500 experts, 500 professionals, 500 amazing humans from around the planet on their credibility. These interviews are 10 minutes or less, and they're focused 100% on the credibility that the person is bringing to the table. It's quick, it's efficient, it's powerful. It's an amazing way to learn from others. It's an amazing way to see, for those that are part of the episodes, amazing way for them to share. But then for you, going to the search engine, being able to look for people who are in similar fields, being able to look at people who are in complementary fields, being able to look at people and see how they present themselves. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? If you watch just 3 a half hour time or 6 an hour worth of time, you're going to learn so much. There's such amazing lessons as I grow, as I learn, as I do more of these. It is amazing what's coming out in terms of what's important, what's not important. And so enjoy. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. Please type in whatever key phrases you want in the search bar. Take a look and start listening. Give feedback. Please hit the like button or share or subscribe to our channels. And I'm really looking forward to the feedback. And I'm kind of interested to see who I'm going to be when we reach the end of 500. And I've interviewed 500 people on their credibility and what lessons have come out and what else I've been able to share. Thanks for joining us today. Looking forward to hearing your feedback. Take care. Bye now.